What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the grilled cheese series here on Bones and Brews Barbecue. Today we're going to fire up the Blackstone and go nice and simple with triple cheese, grilled cheese. So let's get started. All right, folks, Blackstone griddle's ready to go. Kind of a low medium heat here. Butter is melted inside the butter wheel. So for today's 3 cheese grilled cheese, we're going to use some Texas toast size bread, a little thicker bread here. Since we're going with all those cheeses, can never go wrong with a little Texas toast. All right, so I'm going ahead and I'm going to actually butter up both sides of the bread. I want to lightly toast what would be the inside of the sandwich first here. So let's go ahead and try out the butter roller. Whoa, yeah, look at that. Oh yeah, my friends. Whew. All right, let's go ahead and get that one on there. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be absolutely delicious here. All right, we're just slightly toasting the inside of those. And we're gonna flip them over and start with our cheeses. Now today we got 3 cheeses we're going with. We're gonna go with a cheddar, a Muenster cheese, and a baby Swiss cheese. Those are gonna be our 3 cheeses. You could mix this up at home with what you wanna use as well. Probably didn't take long to get those toasted. Oh, look at that. All right, my friends, we want to hurry up and get this cheese on here. So we're going to start with that slice of cheddar. And we'll go with that Muenster cheese here as well. And then last but not least, we're going to go with that Swiss cheese. Now the pieces I got today for this were kind of really thin, so I'm gonna actually go ahead and put 2 of those on there. Take that bun, flip it over. There we go, my friends. I'm gonna turn that heat all the way down. We're gonna cover that up for just a moment and see if we can get maybe a little bit of water under there, a little steam. Melt those cheeses. We'll pull it off in just a moment. All right, my friends, I believe our grilled cheese is ready to go. It only takes a matter of moments here on that Blackstone. We're gonna take it off, put it on a really small cutting board here off to the side. You guys can kind of see what we got going on, seeing those cheeses starting to melt on the outside. Let's go ahead and slice it up. Open it up. Oh yeah, my friends, there we go. There is our 3 cheese grilled cheese. It's time to give it a taste test. All right, everybody, it is time to give this grilled cheese with those 3 cheeses a taste test. Let's see if we get a little crunch. Oh yeah. Absolutely delicious with that cheddar, Muenster, and that Swiss. You could use any 3 cheeses you want, by the way. That's how we roll today. Loved how that butter will work for us. Make it nice and crispy on the outside of the Texas toast. This was a great episode for you guys to check out. Simple, easy, fast on the Blackstone griddle. Great if you got some soup going inside for the kids. They want a little grilled cheese. Make them outside, super fast as well. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode of our grilled cheese series. We'll see you guys again on Bones and Brews.